So these are the dual guard cases from Crave for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. They were kind enough to send us two. We've got a light blue and a green. You can catch it in our affiliate links under below. The price on it so far is 15 bucks. Not bad. So let's start with green. No knife required. Just open it up. Easy packaging. So that's first impressions. Nice little styrofoam in there. Check that out. Now, the texture, right? It's like a pebble type texture. And it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel, it might sound plastic, but it doesn't feel that way. It's like a hybrid between silicone and maybe some kind of plastic. Yeah. But it's dual layered. There it is. It comes off. That means that you've got two pieces to this. So, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Slips right on. Gently. And so then we put on the outer case. And there you go. That's what it looks like. Look at that case. Pretty uniform. So they say that there's tactile buttons. Let's see if you can hear that. But they are very clicky. I like clicky buttons. They don't feel plasticky at all. They actually feel like some kind of aluminum, even though they might not be. But they don't feel plasticky at all. Now, we have to know, there's no MagSafe in this one. So, does it work with a MagSafe? Ooh, okay. So, no MagSafe. So, if that's important to you, this does not have it. Right? Now, let's check around the phone. The lip. It'll give you some decent protection. Not a lot of protection, but some decent protection. It's fine. Get yourself a screen protector. That's what I do with all my expensive products. Can't go wrong. Now, let's test the last thing. Wireless charge. Do we not have wireless charge? Oh, there we go. Okay, wireless charging. It's charging wirelessly. Not a problem. I'll test that again this way. Sometimes the hump, there it goes. Sometimes the hump of the camera gets in the way, which this does do a very good job at protecting. I will say that. You can protect it right here. So that's the green case. Now, the blue case. Same thing. Take them out. There's nothing else in the box. So the blue actually has like a teal inside. It's like going to the beach, almost. It feels like going to the beach. So we take this off. Let's see how easy it is to take this off. There we go. Pops right out. Put that to the side. Now, first layer goes in. Same thing. Very clicky. Now the outer layer. Wow. I actually like this a lot more than I thought I would. Same texture, pebbles, silicone, plastic, smooth, very nice. Already tested it, but let's test it one more time, just for the fans. See? Oh, there we go. Wireless charge. So, you've got these two cases and these two colors. Which one would you pick up if you could? Again, affiliate link in the bottom. Helps us out as a channel. But for 15 bucks, it's not bad. It's a mixture between style and protection. Let us know if you'll pick one up. Which color you'll choose. Again, there's an affiliate link down below. Helps the channel out. Remember to comment and subscribe. We'll check you guys out.